Hi, my name is Braden Watson, and today we will be talking about uh,
Employee satisfaction is crucial in having an effective and efficient virtual team. Causes for employee dissatisfaction within virtual teams includes trust, the technology used, and the impact that the user may or may not feel that they have on the overall goal of the team. Methods to improve satisfaction within virtual teams include team building exercises, shared experiences among team members, and explained roles of how they can impact the overall goal of the team. Dissatisfaction within virtual teams can be attributed to three key points found in our research. A lack of trust was concluded as one point by Morris, Marshall, and Rayner in their 2002 article, Impact of User Satisfaction and Trust on Virtual Team Members. 31% of these members found that they could not trust their team members to accomplish other tasks, and therefore they were dissatisfied with their virtual team. The technology used may also be an issue. If the team members cannot effectively and efficiently use their technology and it is difficult for them, they become dissatisfied as well. Low rates of commitment to goals was found in Pezo's 2012 article, Conflict Management and Effectiveness on Virtual Teams. They said that because it's a virtual team, members often do not feel like they have a strong role in the overall goal of this team. Ways we can improve satisfaction include adapting team building exercises from in-office team exercises that are currently used. By doing so, we can help create more of a team and not individuals on an interface of a computer. Sharing past experiences among employees also will help build that confidence and trust within the team that Morris, Marshall, and Rayner spoke about in their article. Explaining the employee's role is also crucial because they can then see step by step how they will contribute to this team and how their overall work will be able to aid in completing the team's goal.
Our final topic is fair evaluation. This can be described in two ways. The old environment, in which managers wrote evaluations based on what they observed, and the new environment, which is now coming on because of the virtual employees that are in addition to on-site employees. Now the focus is on the work being completed and how it's completed and the teamwork that's associated with that, and then tying all that information to salary increases, bonuses, and promotions. Some best practices include don't focus solely on the results. You need to look at behaviors too. How did they get those results? You want to be aware of unintended consequences. So for example, if you want to set a short call time for customer service reps, in order to get that, they're going to lessen their customer service with your customers. You also want to engage the disengaged, forget about the employee self-evaluations, and level the playing field. Suggestions for our company would be track the employee behavior, the difficulty of the tasks, and the results that they get with those tasks. And then make sure you're addressing both positive and negative situations as they occur. You don't want to wait until the annual evaluation to address a negative situation because now the employee is surprised and they don't have time to correct it. And then get the employees' buy-in. Ask their thoughts on what performance metrics should be included in the annual evaluations. And then when you're writing your evaluations, if you're comparing associates, make sure you're using the same metrics for those doing the same work so that you don't compare apples to oranges. By implementing these suggestions for success, you're going to have employees who are going to see the value and the fairness in these evaluations because it's going to be based on their skills, their behaviors, and their accomplishments. Thank you.
My topic for this project was employee commitment. Employee commitment can be defined as the depth of commitment of team members to work together effectively to accomplish the task at hand. One way that we could improve employee commitment in the workplace is by holding everybody accountable. Holding everybody accountable will increase the quality of work and the commitment within a group. One way I thought about improving the employee commitment in a group would be by incentives. Incentives is a program that are a formal scheme used to promote or encourage a specific action or behavior in a specific group. For this instance, it would be commitment. Group incentives. Group incentives, like I said, would be holding everybody accountable so that every part of this project that we need to do can get done in a timely manner. Some ways that we could do this would be groups who do the best job in a project to achieve the most sales for a sales pitch, or the idea is used in an upcoming project. So the real question is, do incentives work? And research done by the Incentive Research Foundation found out that in fact they do. As to when people are asked to do a task, they found out that their performance increased by 27% when motivated by an incentive program. Also in that same study, when in a team setting, they found out that a team can increase performance by as much as 44% over a perceived task. So for the research clearly states that incentives can work. Some of the rewards that you can have for incentives in a company: an easy group outing for the group that does the best, monetary incentives, personal time off, and schedule priority. This is a simple way to fix a common problem that we have in the workforce.